Hey guys, what's up? So there hasn't been much reports on the Ioniq 5 over the past couple of months. Here where I am in British Columbia, Canada, it's been extremely hot over the past month or so. It's been like mid-30s. I haven't done any long range road tests. For the little trips I have done to the city and so, the consumption's been around about 15 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. So I'm going to do just a video now, a whole bunch of like tips and tricks that I found on the Ioniq 5 and learned from others in the other Ioniq groups. So I'll share those with you now over the next couple days in this one video as I remember them, and I hope you find some use of it. Ciao. So the first one here is, you can see that we've got no lane keep assist active. So generally you would go into your setup, you go into vehicle, lane safety, and then you would push assist, and then there, over here you'll see there's the lane keep assist on, right? So if we switch it off, and you can see it's off now, what you do is if you press and hold your auto steer function, so let's press and hold, there you can see it pops up and it'll be active. And if you press and hold it again, it switches off. So that's another little shortcut as well. And I found that there's a lot more editing you can have with your favorites button over here and also the favorites button over here. Edit them and put it to something that you want to enjoy in the menu type of thing. For me, I have this one that goes straight to the EV menu, and then the favorites on here go straight through to my Apple CarPlay instead of me hitting media and then going through the media screens, which I find is a bit too much when I'm busy driving. So that's it for this one. It's another trick. If you push this button here on your navigation, you can slide through a whole bunch of different functions as well. And then like compass, for example, you can change it. And also if you don't want it, you can hide it. Right, so I'm going to show you the window that comes down when you unlock the vehicle. So if you unlock and then push and hold, down comes the window. There you go. Unfortunately, the up doesn't work. Okay, this is if you've got your car set to a timer at night. So it's currently 5 o'clock in the evening, and my timer is only set to start from 9 o'clock at night. But if you plug your vehicle in over here, and then you listen, it'll start the timer.
Charging schedule.
And then if you push and hold the charge and lock door,
Charging started.
there it starts.